Hello everyone and welcome. In this short, we're going to talk about light reflection using a rotating chrome flasher. When it rotates, the sunlight, the light in the water reflects, attracts the fish over to bite. Now that's basically the chrome color. However, if you take a punch, maybe mark it out with a felt pen of dots, you can turn this into this right here. Now look at the light reflection. Another way to explain it is I have a piece of foil here, represented as the chrome flasher. If I take and I crinkle it up and straighten it out and give you this example, you see how the light reflects better? So now let's take a chrome flasher and our felt pen, and let's just mark out a couple of little dots, however you want to do it. You could even spell your name if you want. And we're just going to work down the side of this flasher. So you take a punch, and let's just start right here. And we'll give it a good whack. And we'll give it another one. And we'll give it another one. And we'll give it another one. You don't have to spend all day. Okay, I think I can make my point here. You see the light reflection? That's what it's all about in rotating flashers. All right? Come on, big fish. Let's go. Until next time, everyone, thank you for watching. And we're going to start talking about how to catch salmon in the waters of our Northwest.